morning. I hope you're all well. And it's time for your phonics lesson. Look who's on my head. It's Freddie. I brought him home from the classroom to make sure that he could watch all of you at home when you're doing your Speedy signs. And remember, Freddie looks out for a big smile on your face as you do your signs, as if you're really enjoying it. So, since it's summer term, I think you could all do your turn first with our signs and then my turn. So let's go. Okay boys, we're going to start with our single letter signs. And remember, some of your signs are bouncy and some of them are stretchy. Zzz. Yeah. J. W. And remember boys, when we do this sound, we make sure our teeth are over our lips like this. B. A. G. O. D. K. And remember boys, this is a kicking K, not a curly K. Now we have our K, our curly K. S. E. Okay boys, now who can remember what this is? We've just done all our single letter signs. What is this? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to try and remember. Yes boys, this is a digraph. And what is a digraph? Who can remember? 5 seconds to tell me. Yes boys, a digraph is 2 letters that make one sound. And remember, they are very special friends, so we join them up when we're writing. They hold hands. So what is this digraph? O. R. Ow. Oi. remember, boys, as we say this sound, we stick our tongue out over our lips. Let's try it again. A. U. Or. Sh. E. Ch. U.
Okay, boys, it's time to do some naughty digraphs. And as we know, naughty digraphs have the same sound as some of our nice green digraphs. Let's have a go now. E. R. R. O. Ow. Oi. O.
Okay, boys, we have just done our single letter signs and our digraphs. Who can remember what this is? What type of a sound this is? 5 seconds. Yes, boys, this is a trigraph. I wonder if you can remember, what is a trigraph? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to have a little think. A trigraph is 3 letters that make one sound, and it's another special friend. So we join the letters together when we're writing because they also hold hands. Air, ear, eye. Well done, boys. You did so well, I'm sure at home. Freddie's been watching with all your bouncy and stretchy single sounds, your digraphs and your trigraphs. Let's all say super speedy sounds together. Super speedy sounds. Let's give ourselves 3 choo-choo celebrations. Woo woo, woo woo, woo woo. Freddie the Frog just whispered in my ear he is super impressed with your speedy sound effort at home, and he is so glad to connect with you all virtually again. Bye, boys.